This is our Forex blog for January 15, 2014, and these are our currency indexes, which let you see what each individual currency is doing. What is the dollar doing across all pairs? The euro, the yen, pound, and of course we have other pairs such as the Australian, New Zealand, CAD, and Swiss. And basically we create an index just like the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500 of each euro pair and then plot it as a chart. So you can at a eye's glance see that the euro is underneath its hourly moving average all day until about 1 o'clock today. So it's trending down. You want to sell it versus a currency that, such as the dollar, is strong. You can also see the pound came up here and double topped at 4 and also 6, and at 4 and 6 the dollar was in an uptrend and was kind of pulled back and going sideways. The daily, weekly, monthly trend of the dollar is up. It's likely to go up again. And for those of you who don't want to have to learn how to trade, you can just use our Forex signals. These are brand new Forex signals I'm working on. I actually trade these with automated trading systems. So obviously when I'm sleeping, I want to wake up and not, I don't want to lose $10,000 or $15,000 while I'm sleeping. So accuracy is absolutely critical for me. And the same exact entry patterns and stops are shown up on our charts with our Forex signals. So you can see starting the day off, we had a loss here, small win, flipped, went long, small win, nice win, loss, small win, huge win. This one here is about 70 pips, it's short around 12 and out at 40. So I'm sorry, that's about a 50 pip win. And then you have maybe a 5 or 10 pip win here, 5 pip flip, and it made 20 pips, and we just got stopped out of this one. We would have been short here at 51, out at 54. We only lost 3 pips on this. And the key to trading is small losses and big wins. For instance, this last one here, this is your risk and what you initially bet on the trade, because that's where your initial stop is. But this is actually how much you lost. You didn't lose what the initial risk was. Now in this case, this is your initial risk and the trade worked extremely well. Your win was 5 to 15 times bigger than what your risk is. And even this one right here, small risk, it generated a profit of about what the risk was, and of course you have a loss here. But if you look at our signals, if you don't know how to trade, you have pretty much a loss here, a win, loss, win, and a loss. So of all these trades, we got 1, 2, 3 losers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wins. 9 wins, 3 losers, 75% winning today. Now obviously I spent a lot of time on the pound dollar today. What's really even more amazing for traders that don't want to have to learn how to trade is we actually have Fibonacci profit target, Fibonacci pullback trades in here already, so you don't have to learn that. For instance, this trade right here, Fibonacci pullback. It made a nice 40 pip move up, and then it pulled back and found support at the 50% Fibonacci area. And guess what? This trade right here is based on the Fibonacci profit target levels, and it only sells when the market's momentum, the uptrend, starts to slow down. So it doesn't get short here or here. It waits for the uptrend to kind of get over first, then it sells. And although this one only generated maybe 8 to 12 pips, the second entry, because the fib target was hit, generated about 60 pips. I mean, it's the biggest trade of the day. You can see, absolutely huge win. You get one of those a week, you're going to be happy, because most of the trades kind of counteract each other. The previous night, I don't typically run this with automated trading before about 2:30. Usually about 2:30 to 11 is when I run real money with this. So, but I still have the patterns show up because I want to test and debug signals all throughout the day. Most people don't trade the Asian session, but anyway, if you don't want to learn how to trade, you can just use our Forex signals. You can get our software by buying it for $2,000 or lease for $150 a month. Trade anywhere you want. Or if you want to trade with FXCM, FXDD, Forex.com, or Alpari, you can open an account with them through us, or make us your introducing broker at those places, and get our signals and our slew of other tools. I'm only showing you maybe 2% of what's in the software. We've been working on this for close to 10 years. I've been trading almost 14 years. So I've creating these tools and statistical models for basically my own trading. And I'll highlight one other way that you can trade with this. If you see an uptrend in a currency or a downtrend, when the perfect oscillator hits the 80 level, these are great places to look for sells. If you look at the pound chart here at 1130 and also at 135, guess what? More than likely it's going to go down. 1130 is right here. Guess what? It went down. And also, what was that other time? 130. And this one here obviously didn't. The first trade, you short around 74, comes down about 20 pips. You lose 8 pips on the second one. You net 12 pips with those 2 trades. Only 50% accuracy on those particular instances. Our signals use a much more sophisticated model than just using the currency index. But you can just use the currency indexes in time when one currency is trending down and hits the plus 80 level. Find a currency that's trending up and is maybe down too much and look for a reversal.